How to log into Disney Plus account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you log in or sign into your Disney Plus account on your device. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for Disney Plus login, and after you search it, you can easily find out the official site of Disney where you can easily log into your account. So simply tap on the option login to Disney. Alright, so from the section, you can easily tap on the option sign in if you are already a subscriber, so simply tap on that. Alright, so after you tap on that, you can easily find out the login page on Disney Plus, and from there you'll have to just provide your email address, and after you provide it, you'll have to just tap on next. Alright, so after you tap on that, you'll have to just again enter your correct password for your Disney Plus account, and after you enter the correct password, you can easily sign in or log into your Disney Plus account on the browser, and from there you can easily access your Disney Plus account. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.